Are your wiper blades ready for the cold and snowy weather that's here in New England? Today's video is going to be on winter wiper blades and how best to take care of them. So cold weather, what it does to a standard wiper blade is, first of all, there's a different composition on the wiper rubber itself. Much like a winter tire, you have a more pliable rubber that doesn't get brittle and hard in the winter time like a summer blade will. So if you ever hear your summer blade just screech across your winter in the winter, that's the reason it's so very brittle, and it's not unable to be pliable to wipe the window. So that's one of the reasons why you want to use a winter wiper blade. Another reason is they put basically a cover over the entire blade, which protects the snow and ice from getting into this, you know, the mechanism that actually goes up and down kind of like shocks. And the reason you need that is so it can put pressure on the window so it can wipe the water away. So if snow and ice gets in a summer blade, that's why it freezes and it doesn't move anymore. So I just want to give you a couple of tips on how best to take care of your wiper blades. A lot of times people come in and say it's not working, I need new wipers, when in fact their wipers are actually fine, they're actually in good shape. What most of the time happens is the windshield's dirty. So the best way to keep your wiper blades working is to clean your windshield. So another thing you can do is you can lift it up and you can wipe it down. One of the best cleaning solutions actually is built into your washer fluid, which is washer fluid itself has alcohol in it, and that is perfect for, you know, cleaning the window and cleaning your blade. I said once you get the dirt off of here, it actually starts to function again. You don't need to replace them. But in the event that they're torn or they're not pliable anymore, or they're just, you know, they just need to be replaced, again, come see one of our shops or go see your trusted professional and get some new wiper blades. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks just like this.